What's going on, guys? In this video, I have super exciting news because we are officially monetized on the YouTube channel. So what does that mean? Well, now I can offer the option for memberships on the channel. So I'm going to show you guys what the membership includes and if you might be interested, how you can sign up. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's say you are on the YouTube channel Tyler Stanczak, which is this channel you're seeing right here, and you want to join the membership option. Well, what you can do is right next to the subscribe button. Hopefully you are subscribed. If you're not, make sure to hit that real quick. But what you can do is if you click on this join button right here, then you're going to see this new option called the membership feature. Now, real quick, if you don't want to sign up for this, totally fine. I won't blame you. If you just want to watch the videos for free, just enjoy it. That's cool too. But here's how you can sign up for the membership if you are interested. And I'm going to show you guys what you're going to get with it. So pretty much the membership is going to be $1.99 per month. I want to make it super cheap for you guys. Just a nice little perk if you are interested in it. And it also helps support the channel, which I would greatly appreciate. But with that $2 a month, pretty much what you get is these loyalty badges down here. So as your membership progresses from month to month, your loyalty badge will actually progress up to higher tiers. And then you'll have this highest tier right here showing right next to your name, which is a really cool feature when you're leaving comments or commenting on any live streams. Next, what we have are the custom emojis that you can use in any comments or live streams, which is a really cool feature. I made sure to make these extremely custom made. There's even more emojis available. Once 2 people sign up, I'm able to upload even more emojis. So keep that in mind. If you're wanting to see more emojis, try to convince your friends maybe to sign up as well if you're already signed up. And then we can unlock more emojis, which would be really cool. There's just a bunch of different facial features from like crying face, laughing face, thumbs up, shocked, all these different emotions. I got even more to show you guys if more members sign up, which is super exciting. And then the last feature is priority reply to comments. So I try to reply to everyone that comments on the videos already, but if you're a member, you're definitely going to have top priority when it comes to me replying to your comments and answering any questions you may have on any particular videos. So if something like this might interest you, feel free to give it a look on the channel. It's now just right next to the subscribe button next to my name on the channel. And if you're on a video, you'll probably see the join button next to the subscribe button as well when you're watching the video. So feel free to explore that if you are interested. If not, that's totally fine as well. I always appreciate the support, whether it's in the comments or through anything monetarily. All right, so if that might interest you, feel free to check out the membership on the channel. But without further ado, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I hope to see you guys in future videos. Thanks.